The investigation into the alleged embezzlement of donations at the Ram temple in Ayodhya has intensified, with two senior members of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust stepping down. Trust General Secretary Champat Rai resigned on moral grounds, while trustee Anil Mishra also quit. The resignation comes as the Uttar Pradesh government's probe gathers pace. A local court has remanded 8 accused to police custody till June 29th. Most of them were involved in handling cash and valuables donated at the temple, including several bank employees. Investigators said they have recovered 79.85 lakh rupees so far and invoked provisions related to criminal breach of trust and the Prevention of Corruption Act. The FIR names Anukalp Mishra, Lavkush Mishra, Avinash Shukla, Tinu Yadav, Manish Yadav, among others, under multiple provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said action began immediately after the Special Investigation Team submitted its report and asserted that anyone found guilty would face strict action. At the same time, he alleged that parties opposed to the Ram Temple movement were trying to defame Ayodhya without evidence. The controversy erupted after former Samajwadi Party MLA Pawan Pandey alleged that nearly 7.5 crore rupees in temple donations had been misappropriated.